What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we're gonna do another demo with these 2/8s on the Hifonics 3200, tuned to 33 hertz. I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it.
I should have saw the signs. How could I miss that?
Alright, let's get into it.
Soon as I get my bitch back, it ain't gonna be sexy when I get my lick.
The Hifonics, two Sundown 8s. Here we go. Sounding good so far for them 2/8s. Here we go. We're gonna do some more. I still need to tune the amp to this new box, but for right now, it still sounds good though. Sounded real good in here. I'm kind of glad I went with the 2/8s in this box. So stay tuned. We got more things coming. But like I said, I'm really glad I went with the 2/8s to the Sundown exact specs from them. So like I said, just stay tuned. We got some more things coming.